Okay. Rock, paper, scissors.
You go first.
I go first. Body 5. Open the flap. Legend world.
Hero World.
My body is reborn. Dihan ako in the toilet.
My body is POW Battleship Satsuki.
Alright, I go first.
Yay.
And I draw. And I charge and draw. Call, paper, Ethan moment. A1 gauge. Look for a toilet from your deck and shuffle your hand. Put a toilet. Mhm. Cut. You cut. I equip school campus level 3, the third toilet before you. Put the top 3 cards of your deck. 1, 2, 3. And pay 2 gauge. Call. Skeletal specimen skull dandy. And this card enters the field. Put at the top 3. Excuse. This is the pay 2 gauge. Look at put the top 3. 1, 2, 3. If there is a fairy among them, draw a card.
Okay.
Cast. Classroom in the dead of the night. Drop all cells from a toilet item from your on your field. And put the top 2 cards of your deck into your gauge. And draw 2 cards. 1, 2. Pay 2 gauge. Call Wind Frolicker Sylph. Pay 2 gauge. Call Dainty Wind Sylph. When this card enters the field, put the top 3 cards. 1, 2, 3. Put any number of Vidar and Fairy from among them into your gauge and you gain 1 life for each card. Inferior Fairy. I gain 1 life. I call once again Dainty Wind Sylph. It's not once per turn, so 1, 2, 3. Like a fairy. Gain 1 life. Oswira Guard. Put a monster from your field into the drop zone. Put the top card of your deck into the gauge. And draw a card. I have a total of 1, 2, sphere, no, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my god. 9. But at the start of your attack phase, I draw more. Okay. Battle.
Go.
I have 9 fairy. Wind Frolicker Sylph. This card gets critical plus 1 for each fairy in your drop zone, and critical plus 1 if you have a wider circle.
How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ability at the start of your attack phase, if you have total of 3 or more wider circle and fairies on your field, all cards on your field is power plus 3,000, critical plus 1. So, first turn, attack you for 10.